baby?
Yes, I can. Move, please. You're working on it, huh? You can get it.
Practice how to walk.
That's right. He's got to practice.
For his baby show.
For his baby show. What's he gonna do at the baby show?
Walk on the baby show.
Oh, okay.
He has to practice for the baby show, so he can walk on the new stage.
Okay.
Here. Now, you have to put the baby's head on the corner. Corner?
Woo!
Oh, you fell on my baby. You fell on my baby. You fell on my baby.
What are you doing, Jefferson?
It's not a place for sleeping. This is not a place for sleeping. This is a place for wrapping.
Oh, okay. You're gonna wrap your baby?
This baby.
Mason.
Swimming baby.
What'd you hurt?
Her head.
Mwah.
Mom, walk in here.
Rocking chair. We'll fix it. There you go.
Can you wrap her in this blanket? Please. Here's my baby. My hurts. Walk at me.
Move, let me wrap sister's baby.
What? This is baby? Now wrap her. My Twinkle Star.
Here, can Jefferson sing Twinkle Star to your baby? Here.
Twinkle Stars.
Okay, okay.
Twinkle Stars. Right there. Twinkle Stars.
Okay.
Oh, twinkle, twinkle. My bed.
Okay. Put her on the bed.
Here's her pillow. Pillow. That's her pillow.